G24 in the heart of Abuja to make a press conference on the planned nationwide protest. Why National Progressive Coalition say no to protest? Nigeria is the giant of Africa and the leading nation in the continent. We must recognize our leadership role, the potentials endowment of our dear country. We strongly believe and firmly support a united, stable, prosperous Nigeria. It is germane to reconsider the idea of protest and allow dialogue in order to address the issues amicably. We acknowledge there are problems facing us as a nation, but we must deploy appropriate measures and means to tackle our issues. Every constituency in Nigeria has representatives from the wards, local government areas, state assemblies, and the National Assembly. We must not lose hope and confidence in our representatives at various levels. Let us not throw away the baby with the bathwater. We must not allow miscreants to hijack the protests, to unleash mayhem to our dear country at these trying times. NSAS protest is still fresh in our mind and memory, which left behind wanton destruction, displacement, and agony. Many properties and lives were lost. We must give peace a chance to right the wrong. Two wrongs do not make a right. It is worthy of note. Liberty without discipline leads to anarchy. Many developed countries have embarked upon protests to vent their grievances, but got stuck without an exit strategy. The protest appears without leadership. And who are the organizers of the protest? It seems they are faceless. Who will be held responsible should anything go wrong? Nigeria is experiencing a series of challenges, which the government is doing its very, very best to address these pressing issues and needs. We must give our maximum understanding, cooperation, support, and solidarity to promote good governance, to consolidate our nascent democracy. No nation in the world can stand an uncoordinated protest that will plunge the nation into chaos, crisis, and instability. A series of protests that went wrong are too numerous to mention, from Egypt, Sudan, Syria, Libya, and the ongoing in Kenya. We must be aware the lives and properties of our citizens are of paramount importance. Who will guarantee the safety of lives and property of our innocent citizens? We appeal to all to reconsider and shelve the protest and embrace dialogue and robust consultations. We must engage and adopt appropriate approach that will promote peace, stability, and prosperity. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Okay. The name of our group is National Progressive Coalition, and my names are Engineer Awwal, Hayatu, Wakili, and I am the leader of that coalition.